Today I'm going to show you how to make the natural medicine for cough. That means dry cough, and it's so painful on your throat. This is how you make it. The ingredients are shallots, which is the small onions, and the whole lemon, ginger, and you need a crusher to crush all these ingredients. First you put ginger, just like that. So here is the ginger juice. Okay, now you put the shallots, and the shallots are crushed. You can see it's crushed nicely. You can take a strainer to take the juice out of the shallots. Then you can put on. Now it's with shallot juice and ginger juice. It's time for the lemon. You squeeze the lemon juice inside this. So here is the mix of three juices. I will tell you once more: the shallot juice, the ginger juice, and the lemon juice. Now you can consume this.